Hi, Danny here from Scott Country International. So this week's short, what we're going to show is how to mount a thermal scope onto a rifle. In simplest terms, get it on there and get it ready for zeroing, and save yourself some ammunition, more importantly. So what I've got on here is the new Thermtec Aries 660, and I've got it onto my Tika Light 308. First things first, when I put the scope on, I make sure obviously it's all the fittings are secured and tight. I know they say hand tight, but actually I do give it a little tweak with a socket to make sure they are fixed on, and essentially making sure the eye relief and everything's set, which is good. When I get out, I've got a target at 100 meters, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to bore sight. So essentially, I literally line up the bore, which, looking through the barrel, straight through, I can see the target I'm going to be shooting at, okay? And then I look into the scope without touching the rifle, and I can see on this scope particularly that the rifle is pointing to the top of the target, but yet the bore is pointing to the center, which tells me straight away that the scope is slightly high. So I'll do some adjustments on that, and then we'll bring it back in. Okay, so I've got a bore sighted in now, so I'm happy that's there. Red dot's bang on, and the bore is pretty much there. You know, it's a rough estimate here. It's not an exact science. Once I'm in now, and I'll now put 2 shots into the target, and then we'll go down and we'll test adjust. Okay. So in preparation for the activity I'm going to do, I'm using home loads of 150 grain 308 game heads. Okay, so I'll put 2 rounds in there. We'll go down and see what it looks like. So just recap, that was the first. I aimed here, and the first bullets were here. Then I adjusted in, I got to here, and then I've just put it into here. So I'm at 100. I like mine inch high at 100, which is bang on for me, because I can push it out to 150, and it's a heavy bullet. So that's perfect, because I'm using this for deer and potentially boar. So that's really good. Happy with that.